Hello, pretty people. Hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Captured Paradise. So, today I am going to show you my own setup with small fishes, and it's a perfect DIY for fish bowls. So, I'll show you how many fishes I have kept and which all fishes can be kept together exactly. Alright, so it's feeding time for all my babies. So the first one to always start eating is my balloon molly, the white to baby. And then, so people are not actually interested eating today. Strange. Are you inside? Hi. So I have a sucker fish inside. And here are my two baby angels. And one of the classiest black molly, balloon molly. And the beautiful gouramis. So I have this one. This is a 3-dot gourami, which is in a blue shade. And here, this beautiful is my gold gourami. I just love these people. So if I rate all of them according to their energy levels, so my gouramis are the most energetic fishes here, and then the cutest here are my balloon mollies. They are very interactive, and the laziest are my angels. Sorry, I have a much lazier one here. Now I just bought a new sucker fish. So yeah, as I showed you that I had sucker fish, and then I have one widow tetra as well, which probably you can see running here and there, which is a very small one. I had two, but I had a pair, I mean, but one of them just passed away a few days back. So now I only have one. All of them are very fond of their cave. They're very possessive about their cave. I just installed an air pump, because of which they were very scared of getting into the cave, but they never gave up. Hi baby, I can see your eyes. Can you see me? Uh-oh. I can see you, but you can't see me. Okay. These were not your eyes. Come on. Let me see her. See how possessive they are about their caves. Huh? Are you guys fighting inside or what? Okay. So yeah, I was talking about my widow tetra. She's the one. Hi, how are you? I just started my beautiful setup as a hobby, since it's growing day by day. I've just installed my album. I'll just start it quickly. And here it goes. Oh my god, it's amazing. I guess my angel fishes like they pump the most. I'll show you my quick setup quickly. So here, as I already showed, is my betta fish. So he's an Indian betta, or you can call a fighter fish, and he's a whale tail. So why is he's called a whale tail is because of his long, you know, fins. So a whale tail is actually known for its extra long flowing double tail, and that is how it has named this. And this guy is a lot interactive. And another one in my collection is my another betta fish, which is a crown tail. So you can definitely see why he is called a crown tail, because the tail can take on the appearance of a crown, and also they are called French tails. So he's a collection from Thailand. So there's a funny story how exactly I got him. So I have a setup with these two bottles wherein I have kept these betta fishes, and then my big enough bowl for all these cuties. So I went to a store to buy these bottles for one. I just wanted one betta fish, so I went there to buy this bottle. But then, since I was getting these two bottles at the rate of one, so I decided to get one more betta fish just for the sake of one buy one get one free bottle. And that is how he came with Long. Hi baby. Yes. Please flaunt. Hey. These people are always flaunting their beauty. Yes. You can see how beautiful he is. But he's always and always very angry. Alright people, so this is my beautiful setup, and we'll be signing off. Thank you so much. Take care.